Abarokiwa baria bakoreta matemwa ba KCSE mwaka oyeta kurwa se ward ye Chitago Borabu nsemo ibunge ya South Mugirange County ya Kisii aiko konyora ribagario konyora amasomo a computer obutumiki bw'echibesa na bigo chinchera cyo komenya kuya se skuru ya jiri baronigo habarokiwa abo bayiro obosemia bwabene busyo bw'echinga kichabo kire University au herigo chikochora na gosomera chikosi au muri kitu Cliforenge agotumanyia senchero bwikira
yamo yokubakira wasemya iguru chinjira chingiye cyo kugendereria anegegema aso butumiki bw'ech computer mitandao yake rero nabo iguru yobutumiki obya bw'echibesa bono nige serikali ya county ya Kisii gwetera aso mu rubiro wajiri yabasemiri aboroki gwabe wadi Chitago Borabu ensemo ibunge ya South Mugirango
kwa Ishmael Nyakwani ndiye manager ya ajiri program ase county yetu ya Kisii itukolia letu achira ase wadi Chitago Borabu ase ngencho tune program ya itere every Friday tukotora mangana career guidance kwa ikona entertainment tuwa ataba ene bako kwa abana.
We are very appreciated thank our governor for this program of Ajiri that has helped many of us, including the youths that are here, even the Form 4 leavers who have been very high there. I think all of us have benefited from this program.
Bakora wana Ishmael Nyakwani oyure omo manager we school eyo nigo abaire segetenene kogenda gokoromokia asekera keri gionsi bagokora
asenge ndomanya tenga bange bona bakwete Form 4 mpaka nitwanyora guidance nibora abanyare bako bago approach buzima tuwabwata Professor Nyamboga ujukurwa se University ya Tangaza otire kitukolia lero ikindi kwenikari abana tangu sikibarakore ne grade kiribabwati ndikibakora nindi unajiri tugwakira umugabano itungambya mona asinge cyo cya initiative yo bakonya abana bataka batari gote kunyara kwikera program ne kusamba kana yabasoma kana computer wayo kana na computer packages also wametoa mangana financial literacy amangana mental health mangana personal branding and marketing ili ndaba saya bakara bakore bamanyangana kibago approach ubisikora itukolia rero abasaya over 300 imbesoki asinge njugo takwego natoko batoko bali kwezi manake igetoko bakera ngambya mono kwego toko bakera entertainers kuno mto bidia bachiri itukolia rero asinge njoko kyabasaya bamanyanga talent kwakana chire mono nomagabano itote ochakiro murobelio elinde kokonya chiwodi chitu chonsi 45 abasaba elinde bayabanyako
nabo Professor Constantine Nyamboga oyo ikirana asege karekyo yokuba abasaye abosemia nigo amwakera umugabana bwe county ya Kisii muske post imbarati bunambu yamono asokora to murobelio yo boko basemia abasaye iguru y'ingencho cyekerero
yamono Soko TV for joining the Ajiri program. Students who are being trained at Chitago. It has been a wonderful day. Again, I'm happy because I have been wanting to come here. This is not very far from home, although I've come from Nairobi, but I'm very happy that I've associated with very young, upcoming young girls and young boys who, anytime now, they will be ladies and gentlemen who will be going to the university, but because again the governor thought it's worthwhile for them to get what we call soft skills, especially information literacy, focusing on computer literacy. I'm happy because that is the right way. As a university, that's what we always like partnering with. We currently have even students who are at Ajiri and are the same workers as Ajiri who are students at Tangaza University. And as a university, we are proud to do that.
Abarokigwa abo babere bagosemigwa asensemeyo asemetinge bere ono nigo bagochokora matemo gochakera aseri tukuria Jumatatu nigo bagokera masomo abibairwe abo asebate babona nigo arabakonye asamatware bosyo
Jackson Moyo mwaka majungo ngero makaji wa kago kwanza ngene Simba hadi yamana asabaleta kosi kwa kusoma kwa jinda kama na wana nandenga nga soma na wana na basiye sekosi iyo ndia nimtaya chingana na byamba cyo njende esiyo ye timu kwa Power Stars kana ba ko isaposa ngozi ngikera karanga isaba mu computer na banko buri ndi na ndo na bateba ngikera basongo bali ba support ne timu yane ye kiri ngira ni
bono nigo yatigera sabaro kigwabwe webekanga kiboronge ribakorobia asa matemo yo ingoripoteria Ensoko TV kuba Chitago barabu ensemo yebungi ya South Mugirango e county ya Kisii Ritiriane Wycliffe Orenge.